Today we're standing in Port Fourchon, and what we're doing today is looking at a restoration project that's a partnership between Danos, Chevron, and CCA. We're restoring Pelican Island. Pelican Island was an island in Timbalier Bay that over the last 10 years has washed away, and we are putting Cajun coral reef modules in Timbalier Bay to restore this habitat.
Natrx was introduced to Danos in the summer of 2020 through the Shell Energy X program. We came together, Danos rolled out the red carpet for us, and it's sort of been snowballing from there. So now we have a partnership. We've set up a world-class Resilient Center of Excellence at Amelia, Louisiana, and working with Danos, we're able to produce these 3D printed Cajun coral modules anywhere in the world.
We expect that within just a matter of weeks, we're going to reestablish habitat and create an opportunity for recreational fishermen to again use this as an opportunity to catch speckled trout and redfish and flounder and create a productive habitat.